Welcome to CryptoSafe. If you are new to the channel and are interested in this relatively new crypto with an entirely different concept, then you are at the right place.
I've come to the right place now.
Please do not forget to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and also make sure to comment below your favorite quality about this token.
Oh, sure.
In today's video, we are going to be talking about the various new updates, news on the RSR token.
Okay, go on.
Yeah.
This news is what has made the token viral, and everybody is talking about its uniqueness. So, what is it about?
What is it about?
Is RSR fit for a good investment? Be with us till the end to know more about it.
Be with us.
Leveling up its rank to 150th position in the market, the Reserve Rights token is working towards creating a new history, including the sudden breakout towards its 3-month highs. The Reserve Rights token, abbreviated as the RSR, is currently, as of 6 December 2021, trading at $0.03235 with a rate of 6.26% change in the last 24 hours. The token was not really giving out a bullish outlook due to the stagnant price graph. However, interestingly, RSR broke out on 26 November when it bounced off from its weekly lowest to its 3-month highs on 2 December 2021. Given the density of the price surge, the token's value increases drastically, making it even more volatile. With this, investors have started to invest a lot more in RSR, and eventually, the token couldn't withstand the buying force and it fell. The 3-month high, which was at $0.05713, has again gone down to its current place, almost the place from where it started earlier. Significant corrections were experienced by the token, especially in the month of November, which took RSR aloof from all those gains of the previous month. However, surprisingly, RSR turned back and went straight up over 52% in just a matter of a week. And what pushed this new price rally? We believe that the tweet by the team which talked about the launch of the mainnet program, either by December or January, is likely to have taken place even sooner. If the Reserve Protocol team is speaking about launching its mainnet around December and January, then this could be the best possible time to enter the RSR market without having to lose on anything. RSR, on its previous charts, dropped to $0.0325, on which it took over a decent hold. Maintaining the stand for quite some time, the token flipped with a bullish reversal and gained more than 50% in only 3 days of trading. The price rally depicts a rising channel pattern, which gave out a breakdown from the support trendline, hereby giving out an excellent short opportunity for traders to enter the market as promptly as they could have. For all those who took the chance and got their hands in, congratulations to all for making a humongous profit. Coming to its current price, because the developers have already given hints about the launch of the mainnet program either in January or December, it is pretty evident that from this point, we will mostly see a gradual uphill, and investing, while the token is at its lowest, will help to a greater extent. RSR is growing at a much faster rate than predicted.
Oh, that's nice.
The token's properties are so on point that even though being a new token, Reserve Rights trades in various cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, OKEX, FTX, Huobi Global, and CoinTiger. Let's see what the other crypto analyst website has to say about it. As per Wallet Investor, RSR can be a profitable option if the user is looking for virtual currencies with a great return. A long-term price forecast increases the price prognosis to 0.0578 in the next couple of years. The resistance levels for RSR are as such. The first resistance the token will face is at $0.035, the second at $0.043, and the last at $0.053. Alongside the support levels are at $0.028, $0.016, respectively. The present price graph indicates a reversal, but it does not look like a very strong one. If the trend line goes below $0.016, then that would mean a serious time. However, till then, the price drop could be better assumed as a consolidation that will get flipped anytime. There are higher chances that RSR may hit $0.028 and bounce back towards another price rise. Overall, because the team has spoken about the update launch, the wisest thing to do is to enter the market and leave during the best time. RSR is a volatile token whose primary goal is to aid with the stability of RSV. It can also be used to vote on governance ideas, allowing holders to help define the RSR ecosystem's future. Reserve Rights intends to back the Reserve stablecoin with an increasingly large basket of assets in the later stages of the project, eventually moving it away from the US dollar peg and instead of creating an alternative reserve asset where RSV tokens represent fractional ownership of the collateral pool. Reserve Rights is a stablecoin platform with 2 tokens. The platform went live in May 2019 after a successful initial exchange offering, IEO, on the Huobi Prime platform. Furthermore, the RSR's dual token architecture includes a reserve stablecoin, which is governed by a group of assets controlled by smart contracts. The Reserve Rights token, in particular, is used to maintain the RSV steady at $1 through a system of arbitrage opportunities. Now that we know that the price of RSR is going to rise, then let's talk about the launch. What is the mainnet program? Very recently, the US market was hit with a wave of inflation, and that is one strong point that the RSR is working out. It claims to fight inflation. For those unfamiliar with the RSR currency, there's a lot to learn as the network nears its full mainnet launch. On Reserve Rights' official website, a little has been talked about. The mainnet launch here means the launch of full reserve protocol on the Ethereum mainnet. One thing from the blog is clear that the team is undergoing several security protocols before the actual launch takes place. It is mentioned as the team is aiming to launch the full protocol in Q4 2021. It's difficult to be sure we will hit this timeline in advance because there are multiple levels of security that have to be achieved, and sometimes security analysis takes a surprising amount of time. The team also revealed the 2 levels that they are working on for the mainnet launch. One is the high level, wherein the rules are established for the protocol and the decentralized governance of the platform so that neither the platform nor the tokens can be attacked economically or politically decentralized and will always maintain the right economic properties over time. Coming to the second level, the low level, wherein the focus is mainly on the coding to safeguard any critical ledger. The team reveals that the audited contracts get hacked many times, and that's why, for this level, they have not restricted themselves to designing only an audit to check the box, but rather a decent security system. The mainnet launch will act as the key positive catalyst for the token to get relaunched in the market as new. This is important because it could turn the entire game around. With the launch, we are expecting a massive price rally and a heavy buying force, which could potentially lead the token's price towards $0.048. Even though the price is tracing back to retest its new support levels, the reversal would be unimaginable once it obtains sufficient demand pressure at these levels. You all are advised to grab hold of this opportunity for a secured long-term gain. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and educational, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out on any new aspect of cryptos. Also, comment below your views on RSR. We will see you all in our next one.